Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in a place called Town. They kept the naming simple in this place. It's merely called Town. So we're going to take a ride through here. I've got something to show you today. Oh, E-Town. Okay. It's actually Princetown, but the bushes are hiding the name. Prince of Wales pub, just up here. Just get the camera up a bit. So this is the Prince of Wales pub. You can get Sunday roast meals here, etc. So yeah, this is the place called Princetown. And we're heading towards Brindach Park, just come from Rumney. This sort of runs parallel to the A465, this road. A465 is on the right, behind these houses, more or less. Nice sunny day today, middle of October. Alright. And just been overtaken by a speedster on an electric bike. People are quite friendly on bikes, so they always greet you, which is nice.
Oh boy!
Well, that'll teach him to overtake me. Just messing around. The Nag's Head pub on the left. To the right, Brindach Park. It's a Farnborough industrial estate. And this way is Ron Skinner and Sons. Always makes me think of The Simpsons, when that guy calls out the headmaster. So, as you can see, Ron Skinner. There was a fire there a couple of months ago, about mid-August. The place is now closed, obviously. And you can see there the fire damage to the building. I'm just going to detach the camera here. I'll try and zoom it in a bit. In fact, I'll get the selfie stick out. A fair bit of water running out of this property here. There was an old railway coach parked down here a couple of years ago. Quite interesting. It was somewhere on one of these properties on the way to Ron Skinner's. Right, we'll see if we can get a bit of altitude to get over this fence at the same time. Let's just get the zoom going out. Right, 2 times zoom. Here we go. Let's get a bit of height on this shot. Right, there we go. That's what it's looking like from the entrance end. As you can see, all burnt out, the roof has collapsed. Near the A465 is right next to us, yeah. So that is what's left of Ron Skinner and Son to Farnbach Industrial Estate. There were something like 100 firefighters fighting the blaze. They had to draw water from the park down the road, Brynbach Park, from the lake to douse the flames. But yeah, the place is pretty much trashed. You know, my condolences go out to the Skinner family, and most of all to the employees that were working there. Hopefully they will still have a job. They were really helpful people when I bought a car there. Very friendly, very helpful. A465 there. And this is what the place is looking like. That is Ron Skinner today, in October 2024. Right, I just have to negotiate this gate here a second. Get my bike through that. Handlebars are too wide to fit through there. Alright, some editing might be required. So yeah, that's what it's looking like now. The site has been closed down, obviously, because it's unsafe. They were unable to investigate. I see they got security cameras and everything. Unable to investigate because it was too dangerous, deemed too dangerous. So just have another look over the top here. Check it out. I think some of the cars that were burnt out have been removed, because there were some rusty cars piled up out there, and they've taken down the old carport that was there. They were working on that last time I come past here on the bike. So this is like the main entrance where the offices and that's were. As you can see, the whole roof has collapsed. All the vehicles inside burnt out. I don't know if there's any still inside there, or they've been removed. Difficult to tell. I think there's still vehicles in there actually. It's hard to tell with the sun so low in the sky. So let's go and check it out from the other end of the premises. Autumn time, all the trees are changing colour now, beautiful colours all over the place. I love that about this time of the year. So yeah, I don't know if you're going to see much from here because the sun's shining straight into the camera. But yeah, that's the workshop end, and up there is SRS where they were doing all the panel beating and car rims and things like that. That obviously has closed down as well at the moment, so a lot of employees working there probably lost their jobs. So yeah, great pity. Business has been around since 1968, and they must have sold a lot of cars in that time. I know I did buy one from them years ago, and it was a good car. I had one or two issues with it, brought it back and they sorted it out. So yeah, apparently there is a notice on the fence there which states that they are going to begin demolition at the end of October, 28th of October, and it should be completed by, I think, early January, it said, and then they will be rebuilding. So that's good news. So hopefully those people will still have jobs and they'll be able to come back here. So anyway, that's Ron Skinner and Sons. That's what's left of it. And in the new year, hopefully they'll be back up and running and back in business. So that's it for today. Hope that you all stay safe and well, and bye bye for now.